recipe is simple. To do it, you need Brussels sprouts, garlic, sweet peppers, zucchini, uncured turkey bacon, or regular bacon if you wish, butter, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, sea salt, pepper, and my combination of seasoning. To start by cleaning the Brussels sprouts. Cleaning the Brussels sprout means that you're gonna take the excess leaf that are kind of saggy and a little bit dry off the Brussels sprouts. You're gonna end up with something like this. You see, tough and firm. So then get the knife and cut the tip. Very careful, don't cut yourself. And you're gonna get this, a nice and clean Brussels sprout. Now that we have cleaned all of the Brussels sprouts, so it is time to cut them. Just get the knife and cut it in half, just like that. You will see how nice they're cut. Just continue by cutting the sweet peppers. Just clean it just this way and just cut it in strip, just like that. Then in half. Also the zucchini, cut the tip. Cut it in slices. Then in cubes. Just like that. Then continue by getting also the uncured bacon and cut it in small pieces. My seasoning contains black pepper, maple sugar, brown sugar, roasted garlic, sea salt, and onion powder. Start cooking the Brussels sprouts. Start by adding a little bit of olive oil, because first you're gonna cook the turkey bacon with a little bit of garlic and the sweet peppers. We're gonna throw the zucchini at the end. Just saute the garlic until the flavors start breaking out. Once you feel that garlic smell coming out, that means that the flavors are already broken up. Just add the uncured turkey bacon to the pan and sear them until crispy. Now add the sweet peppers in the pan with the bacon and the garlic and saute for another 3 minutes. So now that you have the bacon and the peppers seared up, just take it off the pan, and because you're gonna cook now the zucchini. Add a little bit of butter and deglaze all that garlic infused pan there with the butter. Since you don't want the butter to burn, just add the zucchini immediately. Cook it for just about 3 minutes or until they become tender, and take it out of the pan. Once zucchinis are tender, just take it off the pan. Add the rest of the butter, because now it's time for the Brussels sprouts. By cooking all of these ingredients separately, you actually keep the individual flavors of each of them intact. So now that the butter is almost melted, just add the Brussels sprout and cook them for about 5 to 10 minutes or until they are tender. By putting all the Brussels sprouts facing down, what we're doing is sear them on the flat side. We're gonna keep the sear on the far side, and we're gonna keep the green part, the round green part, intact, so you can make your dish more pretty. So now that you see that your Brussels sprouts are seared on the flat side, as you can see, finish by adding the rest of the cooked ingredients. It only needs another maybe a minute or so to mix all the flavors. So to finish, just transfer this wonderful Brussels sprouts with uncured bacon, zucchini, and sweet peppers. Mix it to a plate. And sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top. And there you have it. A wonderful Thanksgiving side dish for your special dinner, so you can enjoy it with your loved ones. Okay, now the final moment, guys, the tasting. Let's just see how this tastes. A little bit of zucchini, Brussels sprouts, nice flavor, nice combination. So tender and delicious. Brussels sprout absorb all those flavors from all of the other ingredients there. That is unbelievable. If you like to see more of our recipes, just subscribe to our channel and enjoy.